This CIS 113 tutorial is about file management. We'll be creating files and folders, display drives and folders, copy, remove, name, and delete files, share files and folders. First, we're going to go to where our folders and files are. And we're going to display our drives. So here's all our drives that we have access to from this physical box. We have our C drive. We have our system reserve partition, which is a virtual drive. We have our network drives, which is public. And this one for Larry Richardson. So we have a total of 5 drives here that's being displayed. Next, we'll be creating files. So let's go to public. Let's create us a folder. Go to new, go to folder, and then we're going to call it Zoo. Now Zoo is the new folder we just created. Let's create a file. So we're going to click on Zoo and create a file in Zoo. I think I'm going to create a text file. So let's create a text file here. Go to text document. We're going to call it Zoo 2. So now you have a Zoo 2 file within a Zoo 2 folder. So we're going to put something in this file. Anyway, let's save that. Now we have Zoo 2 file within the Zoo 2 folder, and in that file we have a text document that reads, "The new Zoo review coming right at you." So I think I want to copy this folder, the Zoo folder, and I want to put it somewhere else. So you can right click on it, press copy, or you can right click on it and send it to your desktop, copy it to your documents, copy it to your public share folder, or your Larry Richardson share folder. You could just send it straight there and it'll copy right on over. But I don't want to send it there. I want to take it to my downloads, which is not up there. So we're going to copy that, go to downloads, and press paste. And there goes our Zoo folder. So we copied the folder. I wonder if the file in the folder copied as well. Let's open it up. My God, there it is. The file has copied with the folder. So let's copy the file instead of the folder. Maybe I just want one file out of the folder and not the whole folder. So let's copy that. So we can copy that. We can copy that, or we can do the same thing and send it somewhere else. So I think I want to send this to documents. So let's send it to documents. So we're going to go to send to. Let's go to documents. So let's now go to documents and see if it's there. I don't see my file. I don't see it. Might not be here. Okay, well maybe it didn't go. Maybe it went here. And there it is. It went to the documents instead of my documents. I'm sorry. So I went to Zoo and I said send to, and I sent to the documents, and there it went. So there's 2 ways of copying folders from one place to another. So what if I want to rename that folder? Let's go back to documents and say I want to rename it. So I'll go down here, right click on Zoo 2, rename. We're going to go to call it Zoo 3. And there you have it, Zoo3. It's its new name, right? So let's say if I want to remove it or just delete the file. So we just go here and go to delete. And there it's gone. It's now in the recycle bin. Let's say if I want to remove a folder. So let's go to our folders, our zoo folder. Where's my zoo folder? Where's my zoo folder? I don't even know where I put it. Let's go to our zoo folder right here. And let's say I want to remove it or delete it. I'll right click on the zoo folder and delete. But I don't want to delete it right now. I want to share it. So let's right click on that. And let's go to properties. Let's go to sharing. Right now, this file is not shared. Right? So let's share it. Who do you want to share it with? Well, I guess we could share it with everyone. So everyone will have access to it. So let's press share. Now this is shared, and this is the share path. CTO8 users, Larry Richardson, downloads Zoo. That'll be a shared path. That'll be a path that you would put in if you want to network to that folder. If you want that folder in another physical piece, another person to have access, they can share it from their PC with this network path. So, what kind of access do you want them to have to it? All right, so we're going to put edit. We want to add everyone, right? So let's do everyone. Check names. Oh, well. Seems like we had to put some passwords in for that, so we're not going to do that right now. Let's see. Okay, still have to put some passwords. We're not going to do that right now. All right, so in all, we could put everyone, set the security, set what kind of access, whether they have modify, read, and execute, or they can just read it. We could set all of that within the security tab. So go to properties, go to sharing, go to share, and there you have it. What's my everyone? We added everyone. Boom. And they only got read and write. We could change it to read write privileges if we want them to be able to write to the file too. And press share. And that's your shared path. So that's how you share files and folders. This concludes the tutorial for file management. Thank you.